Good morning and welcome. It's fantastic to be back here in New York City. We have a lot to show you this morning. We're announcing Copilot, our vision for everyday AI companion for you.
Starting today with one of the most important, Copilot will be available on the Windows 11 desktop. And with a single click, you can launch Copilot, and your AI companion is instantly available. It's informed by what you're doing on your PC. Copilot will also be available across the entire Microsoft 365 offerings. Here you see it in PowerPoint, in Excel, and in Teams, with the power to harness all of your work data and intelligence. And of course, we're going to have Copilot in Edge, ready to help you across your entire web experience. And Copilot is built on top of Bing Chat, so you can harness the full power of the internet. I'm excited to share that Copilot will begin to roll out as part of a new Windows 11 release starting on September 26th.
Here you see a long email. Oh gosh, what a wall of text. I'm trying to figure out the places around this venue that I can go visit while I'm here. I see those places in this email, but I wonder how far these are from here. It doesn't say. As soon as I copy the text, Copilot appears and offers suggestions for what to do next. I really just need it a more readable, and I want to know how far they are. In seconds, all of this information is neatly organized. And it even tells me how far away each location is, doing that research for me. But I only want to see the options that are less than a 10-minute walk away. And it does that too, by translating from miles to minutes. Next, we're excited to share a brand new feature coming to Windows, Ink Anywhere, which means you can use your pen to ink in any text box anywhere in Windows 11. Let's use a simple example. How about math equations? Have you ever tried to write a complex math equation with your keyboard? I'll tell you, it is not easy to do. With Ink Anywhere and Copilot, you can write complex math equations into the text field and get an answer immediately. Pretty simple, huh? But what if that math problem includes a graph? How can Pen and Copilot help? Since you can use your pen across apps, like Snipping Tool, use the pen to snip a photo of the math problem. You see Copilot immediately start solving just from that snip. And not only does Copilot solve the math problem, but it explains how to solve it. And this serves as a great learning moment for all those future equations you'll need to solve.
My nephew loves playing soccer, and I want to get him some new cleats. Copilot in Microsoft Shopping will guide me to find the best pair by asking smart questions like his skill level, which is not something I would have thought to consider. Next, it asks me to choose the type of field he'll be playing on. I can even compare my options of top name brands from thousands of online merchants. I can get summarized reviews, including the pros and cons of the shoe, and Copilot gets me to a recommendation. I can even find the best price and online promo codes. That in Edge, we have built-in coupons and cashback, making it incredibly easy to save money when you shop. The shopping features in Microsoft Edge delivered more than $4 billion in savings in the past year. I'll also be able to use a photo or saved image as a starting point for my shopping. My nephew saw a pair of cleats that he loves and sent me a picture. I can use that picture to quickly find something similar. Copilot for Shopping made it so easy for me to make a confident purchase. It's like having my own personal shopper. Let's say I want to create a gaming avatar, inspired by the awesome new Starfield game. With the latest DALL-E model, all I need to do is describe the image I want, and I get stunning options in no time. And I can modify images directly in chat. The combination of chat and image creation makes it incredibly easy to refine images until I get it just right. But it's not just the quality of the images that's improving. We're also making it easier to identify images that have been created by AI with content credentials. Now, every image generated is marked as created by AI using cryptographic methods for better transparency. To help you get the answers you care about faster, we're introducing personalized answers. This means your chat history can inform your results. Here's an example. I'm looking for something to do this weekend. That Bing remembers earlier conversations I had about sports and my golden retriever. It takes these earlier conversations into consideration to infer that I may want sports-related or pet-friendly activities. With just a single prompt, Bing brings me personalized results from across the web that matches my interests.
Let's say you're a marketer at a national chain of home improvement stores. You start your day with Copilot, asking what's hot in your inbox today. It does some thinking and gives you an overview of the most pressing items. Great. Looks like the new store opening could use your attention. Let's dive in deeper there. Copilot gets to work combing through all your recent emails, meetings, even the ones you didn't attend, chats, and files to get you up to speed in moments. It didn't just summarize a single document. It knew what sources to pull from and what information to extract from each. Next up, you need to do some market research. Let's say you want details on square footage and proximity of competitors to your new location. Now, typically, this would take a few hours. Now, you can just put Copilot to work. It scours the web, and within seconds, it finds everything you're looking for. Introducing Copilot Lab, a new experience that will help people build new work habits for a new AI-powered era of productivity. Copilot Lab is a place to experiment, to learn the art and science of prompting. You'll learn how to turn a good prompt into a great one, share your favorite prompts with coworkers, and get inspired as we all learn to work in this new way together.
This is Surface Laptop Go 3. It's an incredible device for online creators, college students, and young professionals who need to get work done from anywhere. It's ultra portable, under 2.5 pounds, with a 12.4-inch touchscreen, and it has premium features like a fingerprint power button and an absolutely incredible typing experience. It comes in 4 stunning colors. It's 88% faster than the original, with all-day battery life to power productivity, creativity, and entertainment, from early morning classes to the last episode streamed at night.
Because I have Clipchamp. This is our all-in-one, easy-to-use video editing app, and with the new Auto Compose feature, it's really easy to use. All I need to do is select my video, drag and drop it into the app, and get started. I can select as many filters as I like, really making sure that they fit the content of my video. AI models are reviewing my video and selecting the very best moments of the set to highlight for me. It's using generative AI to fill in the background while singing to the audio and building transitions. All of this happens in less than a minute on my Laptop Go. All I have to do now is select my link, and I'm all set.
This is Surface Laptop Studio 2, the most powerful Surface we have ever built. Unmatched productivity, versatility, and creativity, all in a single laptop. The original Surface Laptop Studio was the most performant device we had ever shipped, and this one is twice as fast. With an Intel 13th Gen i7 H-class processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 and 4060 GPUs. For designers, engineers, or 3D artists who need professional workloads, we also offer NVIDIA's RTX 2000. All that to say, this device powers graphics-intensive workloads with ease. With NVIDIA's DLSS 3.5, you get sharper textures, smoother gameplay, and more realistic lighting. And HDR boost for increased peak brightness. Our 14.4-inch screen looks absolutely amazing. It sounds great too, with spatial audio from Dolby Atmos on our powerful Omnisonic speakers. And whether you are a gamer, a designer, or a developer, we designed Surface Laptop Studio for you.
But for the first time ever, this new precision haptic touchpad makes it possible for people like me to use a laptop in the way that is most natural to us. I toggle on Adaptive Touch, it responds to my hand.
They're both available October 3rd. Pre-order starts today. We can't wait to see what you can do with Copilot, Windows 11, and Microsoft 365 on Surface. Thank you.